A Florida man turns a routine traffic stop into one of the slowest police chases ever recorded. Rain pouring, tires deflating, deputies shouting, and the suspect barely moving. But what looked like a slow crawl soon turned violent.
You gotta shut that other lane down.
Kyle, we need to go to the car.
Put your arms out. Deputy Drew, you have hands? Let's go.
On September 25th, 2024, deputies in Flagler County encountered something truly bizarre. 33-year-old Kyle McNary was spotted driving erratically through Bunnell, but at speeds so slow, deputies could walk beside his SUV. Moments earlier, McNary had kicked his passenger out of the car in the rain after switching seats, then sped off, leaving the man stranded on the roadside. Minutes later, he caused a hit-and-run crash, seriously injuring another driver, before continuing north on US Route 1. Deputies moved in, deploying stop sticks, flattening his tires, and surrounding the vehicle.
You gotta shut that other lane down.
10-4, we're northbound on US 1 from Grand Reserve.
Notify FHP and see if they can respond to assist with the vehicle's doing.
Watch out 221, I got left legal.
Kyle, this is Officer McCoy with the Bunnell Police Department. Kyle, we're here to help you.
I gotta take these glasses off.
Anybody think they could have shot it on that driver's window?
I could.
Huh?
I could.
Here, can you get this stick and I can't see out of these?
I got a set in my driver door.
I got
a set in my driver door.
I was gonna say I got one in my passenger door.
I got it right here. It's just gonna make it go.
I can probably throw it. Here, I'm coming up with you.
Kyle, you need to step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Throw it right over.
Here, I got another one right here.
And I got two more on my door too.
Throw it right over.
His hands are back on the wheel.
Okay. Get some more shadow balls. Let's get that window. Kyle, let me see your hands through the driver's window. Let me see your hands. Kyle, this is Brian with the sheriff's office. I'm trying to call you on your cell phone. Answer your cell phone. Kyle, this is Brian with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Listen to me. Answer the phone that I just called you. I'm calling you from my phone right now.
If you want, there's some in my passenger door. I can go up with you and get them. Or okay.
I see your hands on the steering wheel. Wave at me if you hear my phone call. I need you to answer this call so we can talk.
No matter. Oh, he's gonna get him from over there.
Kyle, this is me calling you right now. Do you have your phone on you? Kyle, this is Brian with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. I'm calling you. Please answer your phone if you have it on you. Wave at me in the window if you can hear my voice.
You got him.
Yeah, I'll go over the shield.
Alright. We'll cover you. I don't think we can see it, but just we come up from the yeah.
Between the cars and the green car.
He's got no visual. He's moving, he's moving, he's moving.
your attention. Answer my phone call. Or come out with your hands up where we can see your hands free and clear and obey our commands. We're trying to get your attention. We were tapping on your window. Open the door. Come out with your hands up where we can see both your hands, that they're clear and follow all our commands. I'm going to try to call you again. I need you to answer the phone. I need to talk to you.
As rain poured down, deputies ordered McNary to exit the SUV. He refused. With visibility low and danger rising, they used a shatter ball to break a rear window, giving them a line of sight inside. After a tense standoff, McNary finally raised his hands and surrendered. Deputies pulled him from the car and took him into custody without further injury.
I'm calling again. Answer the phone, please.
Go shift towards this passenger on the left.
Okay.
Kyle, we need you out of the
Can you hear me
car.
now?
Watch the car.
Kyle, this is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. I need you to open the door with both your hands where we can see them free and clear and obey all our commands. I know your window's open now. You can hear me. I'm trying to call you on the phone. What is it? Okay. Put your car in gear and turn it off for me, Kyle.
We should have deployed the terminator.
Thank you, buddy. Just put it in gear and turn it off. Okay? I need to keep seeing your hands. Let me see your hands, buddy. Open your door, please. Now let me see both your hands, and I want you to listen. There's going to be some commands. Obey the commands that you hear. So come out, have your back facing us, but let us see your hands in the air so we know that they're free, okay? I need to know your hands are clear. Come on out. Come on out. There you go. Good job. Good job. Now put your hands in the air. Kyle, put your hands in the air, buddy. Both hands, please. Alright, now I want you to walk back a few steps, and I'm going to give you some simple commands, okay? I want you to listen closely. Come on back. Take a few more steps backwards, please. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Stanford said his
Good
training.
job. Now, Kyle, I want you to listen to me. I want you to raise your shirt up above your nipple line. And I want you to do just a quick circle. Let me make sure that you got nothing in your waistband, okay? Will you do that for me, buddy?
And I'll stay on car.
Alright, raise your shirt up. All the way up to your nipple line. Now do a small circle for me. There you go. Now turn around. No, you don't take it off. Okay, now do a circle. I just need to see your whole waistband. Go ahead, circle. Turn in a circle. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Good job, Kyle. Good job. Alright, now put that down. Put your shirt down. Put your hands back in the air. Now walk backwards towards my car. You hear my car? Walk backwards towards my car. Yep, you're just right here. I'm right here. Put your hands in the air and just walk backwards. But I want you facing me. I want you backwards, face your car. Turn around and come to me.
Get him to come this way.
Just come this way, Kyle. Come on, buddy. Just come this way. You're good to go. You're following my commands. You're doing a great job. There you go. Come on. Come on. Good job. Keep your hands up where we can see them, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Keep going, Kyle. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Thank you for doing this.
Keep your hands up, Kyle. Keep your hands up, bud.
All right. Stop right there. Turn around.
Get on the ground.
On your belly. On the ground. Put your arms out. Deputy Drew, you have hands? Let's go.
I got car.
Yep.
Go. Go. Go behind him. There we go.
Yep.
Flagler Sheriff's Office, make yourself known. Put your hands up.
Look at the sheriff's office.
Clear front.
Clear back.
Oh. Good job, bud.
Huh? That's good stuff.
Yeah, I know. It's like old days.
I know.
Once transported to the hospital for a medical complaint, McNary's behavior escalated again. He threatened and resisted deputies, even attempting to bite one officer. He now faces a long list of charges, including battery on a law enforcement officer, aggravated assault on an officer, fleeing and eluding, hit and run involving serious injury, obstruction, and threat with death or serious bodily harm. Want more unbelievable police encounters? Subscribe to Bodycam 24/7 and never miss the next wild moment caught on Bodycam.